Thick, full eyebrows have become one of the most defining features of modern beauty trends. For decades, people overplucked, waxed, or shaved their brows to create thin arches, only to later realize that regrowing them can be surprisingly difficult. Eyebrows frame the face, influence expressions, and even affect how youthful or balanced someone appears. When brows are sparse, uneven, or thinning, it can dramatically change facial harmony. Because of this, many people are searching for ways to grow thicker eyebrows naturally and quickly, without relying on expensive treatments or cosmetic procedures. The good news is that eyebrow hair growth can often be improved by understanding how hair grows and by using simple habits that support healthy follicles. To begin with, it helps to understand the natural eyebrow hair growth cycle. Like all hair on the body, eyebrow hairs grow in phases. The first phase is the anagen phase, which is the active growth stage, where the hair follicle produces a new hair strand. For scalp hair, this phase can last several years, but for eyebrows it is much shorter, often only a few weeks. After the growth stage comes the catagen phase, a short transition period where the follicle shrinks and hair growth slows. Finally, the hair enters the telogen phase, where the hair rests before eventually falling out and being replaced by a new strand. Because the eyebrow growth cycle is short, regrowth after overplucking can take time, but with the right care, follicles can often recover. One of the most important steps in growing thicker eyebrows is simply stopping excessive grooming. Many people unknowingly damage their follicles by repeatedly plucking the same hairs before they have time to grow back. Over time, this can weaken the follicle and reduce its ability to produce hair. Allowing the eyebrows to grow naturally for several weeks is often the first step toward regaining fullness. During this regrowth period, brows may appear uneven or patchy, but this stage is temporary and necessary for restoring natural density. Nutrition also plays a significant role in hair growth, including eyebrow hair. Hair follicles require a steady supply of nutrients to produce strong strands. Proteins are especially important because hair is primarily made of a structural protein called keratin. Consuming adequate protein from sources such as eggs, fish, legumes, or nuts helps provide the building blocks for healthy hair growth. Proper nutrition, hydration, gentle grooming, and consistent care create the best conditions for healthy hair growth. While there is no instant overnight solution, small daily habits can gradually restore fuller brows over time. As the follicles regain strength and the hair growth cycle stabilizes, the brows can slowly return to a thicker, more natural appearance. With patience and the right approach, many people find that their eyebrows can become noticeably fuller than they expected, framing the face in a way that enhances natural beauty.